Hey everyone! Welcome to another video. Today, I'll guide you through the process of uploading files to ChatGPT and enabling a convenient upload button right here on the interface. First things first, you'll need to grab the script, which I've conveniently placed in the description below for easy access. Paste the script and hit enter. This will generate a JavaScript code tailored to meet our requirements, creating a button within the ChatGPT interface. Once the code is generated, copy it and right-click to access the Inspect Element option. Navigate to the console and delete any existing content. Then, paste the copied code and hit enter. Voila! You'll see the Submit a File button enabled. Mine Upload button is already enabled, so I am not being able to see it, but it will be appeared to you. Now, simply exit out of this window and head to the Submit File section. Click on the button, and you'll be able to upload various file formats like text files or CSV files. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more just like it, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.